Whether you are a member of a hospital or healthcare system and represent administrative staff, nurses, or physicians, this explains the Observy mobile app's application in hospitals and healthcare. This is the Critical Aggression Prevention System, or CAPS, in the palm of your hand. So what can this Observy mobile app actually do? The Observy mobile app can be used to reliably and objectively foresee and prevent issues like bullying, harassment, abuse, and yes, even violence. In accordance with the U.S. Secret Service and the FBI findings, the only reliable way to identify a future shooter is by identifying someone on the path to violence. The Observy mobile app uses scientifically validated, objective, measurable observables of someone on the path to violence. In other words, shows you the precursors to violence, thereby permitting you to prevent that violence. The Observy mobile app identifies, records, analyzes, and tracks aggressive behavior from aggression's outset through and including the most lethal form of aggressor, the perpetrator of murder-suicide or terrorist. The Observy mobile app determines what level of aggression and thereby the degree of threat based upon low, moderate, or high threat levels. The Observy mobile app subsequently offers recommended diffusing and response strategies. The Observy mobile app data can be shared with a threat assessment team or behavioral intervention team. Observy mobile app allows you to track aggressive individuals to determine whether they are escalating or de-escalating over time. The Observy mobile app uses no mental health, culture, gender, education, age, or sexual orientation in its aggression assessment. It therefore does not conflict nor contravene HIPAA or privacy regulations. On the off chance that you are threatened by an active shooter, a knife-wielding aggressor, a suicide bomber, or someone trying to take you or others as a hostage, the Observy mobile app will offer suggested best practice responses. Are you a human resource or security professional? Are you just tired of employees using subjective references to describe coworker aggressive behavior? The use of subjective references by accusers in your organization or institution can lead down a rabbit hole that produces claims and counterclaims that cost significant human capital and produce human resource and security quagmires. Too often, employees will not put their reputation or their jobs on the line based on subjective references alone, so they say nothing until an incident actually occurs, or worse yet, a death occurs. How often have you heard from a coworker after the fact, "We knew Bob was an exploder, it was just a matter of when"? This acknowledgement too often comes too late to prevent loss of life or limb. Now you no longer need to address aggressive behavior with subjective references. Our Observy mobile app offers objective, measurable, definable observables that you can use to identify, record, analyze, and track human-based aggressive behavior. What you see here is our primal and cognitive aggression continua. It illustrates aggression from its outset through the escalation phase into the crisis phase, illustrating what the FBI and Secret Service call the path to violence. This enables you to get out in front of and actually prevent, because what you're seeing are the precursors to aggressive behavior, but also the precursors to bullying, harassment, and abuse. Through this primal and cognitive aggression continuum, the Observy mobile app offers the ability to reliably prevent issues like bullying, harassment, abuse, and loss of trust, all of which can profoundly affect teamwork, leadership, and loyalty. Are you a human resource or especially security director? Do you have difficulty justifying the amount budgeted for you and your team? The lack of evidence-based reporting can make your budget justification very difficult. The Observy mobile app produces the highest form of evidence-based best practices, which demonstrates your team's value and so much more. What can Observy mobile app do for you? It can reliably predict and prevent bullying, harassment, abuse, and violence. It can make your facilities as safe as possible, the highest form of evidence-based best practice. And it can enhance your productivity and, yes, even profitability through a reduction of aggressive behavior in your organization or institution. My name is John Burns. I'm the founder and CEO of the Center for Aggression Management. And if you'd like to learn more about our Observy mobile app, let me encourage you to go to www.aggressionmanagement.com. Scroll down to see the Observy mobile app, click on that, and it will take you to a page that will describe the Observy mobile app in detail and offer its purchase. If you'd like to reach out to me and ask any questions or clarifications, you can reach me by phone or email. Thank you for your time. I look forward to hearing from you.